Welcome to Neo DASHCAM, where everyday drives turn into unforgettable stories. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and enjoy the ride with us.
More mismatch than traffic, like David walking into the wrong Goliath. That move looked more like parking in the wrong garage. That's one way to skip the drive-through. Looked less like traffic and more like a magic trick gone wrong. When tons of steel collide, control leaves instantly. That spin looked just like a rodeo bull tossing its rider to the ground. Respecting bigger vehicles means respecting your own safety. That wasn't a ride, that was two scooters trying out sumo. Like a chess move played too soon, the outcome wasn't what was hoped for. No different than a dance routine gone off beat between two partners. That encounter turned rush hour into rush trouble. Reckless speed can turn a calm drive into unwanted trouble.
Right towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to roll over.
Patience costs nothing, repairs cost plenty. That wasn't parking, that was nature saying, not here. Reverse missed, gravity answered.
If you've been watching my videos for a while,
A calm moment is cheaper than a hurried mistake. More circus rehearsal than commuting. Looked more like a dance rehearsal where we got the steps. When ego takes the wheel, the frame pays the price.
Oh my God.
That looked more like a hasty gamble than steady driving. Patience at the tracks is worth more than any shortcut. The car tried a plot twist. Sadly, the script had no happy ending. That entry looked more like a surprise swim than a road trip. It felt like a pickup playing sumo with a sedan. Wrong arena, wrong idea.
What the f*** are you doing? Still f***ing oh. My God.
She said, I just started.
Quick move, quicker lesson. When choices collide, safety is always the first to suffer. That knock carried the grace of grocery carts nudging during a rush hour sale. And right after that, the burst of speed evoked a quarterback charging straight into the defensive line without paying attention to anything. Slowing down for just 1 second can prevent hours of regret. When drivers choose impatience, safety is the one that disappears. Almost like two chess moves colliding on the same square. That looked like two drivers trying to claim the same patch of asphalt at once. goodness, one impatient move can undo everything. That looked like two drivers racing pride instead of wheels.
Emergency video.
Moments of haste can reshape metal faster than miles of safe driving. Looked more like an impatient nudge than driving. Metal against metal, nobody wins. More bumper car vibes than actual driving. More off-road misadventure than city driving. That's one way to say hello, straight to the bumper. That wasn't driving, that was two egos trying to squeeze through one door.
God!
When impatience meets impatience, safety leaves the road. Clash made, patience unpaid. A blink of light means nothing without a mindful glance. The safest second is the one you take to wait. That clash looked like shopping carts clattering in a busy aisle. Moments of impatience leave scars that calm driving could avoid. And steadiness comes from calm driving, not from testing the limits. Almost like a pair of shopping carts squeezing through the last open aisle. Moments of haste can erase miles of safe travel. Like two bowling balls colliding mid-lane instead of hitting the pins.
Okay.
A single pause could have saved a lot of trouble. More smoke effects than a rock concert without the music. Of one breath could have kept the road clear. Looked more like a stubborn handshake where neither side let go. Speeding through decisions never keeps the road calm. That meeting felt more like a failed partnership than a drive.
That's it for today on Neo DashCam. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Your thoughts keep the road alive.